Hi, this is John with WTI, and with me I have this Trooper adapter that comes directly to your hose. And one of the things that I like the most from here is how well built it is. This has a nice, well built quality, and even though this is plastic, this is built sturdy. I'm a clumsy person, so I'm constantly dropping things and just adapting this to the hose. And it just has two different options. It could be the cannon that is going to be directly, in my case, I use it to clean my tires and to take any grime or mud that is a bit hard already, and the other one that is like a little foam or softer that you can use it to take the foam out of the car or just to give it like a nice slight touch, and it just does a great job. So build quality, nice overall functionality, and it's just built really good. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.